Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a sunset gray smoky eye. Let's go ahead and get started. I already prepped my eyelids with a concealer and powder as my base. Now I'm using an NYX yellow eyeshadow. Going back over with a burnt orange from my Morphe palette. Blend that shit. You don't ever want to see lines in your eyeshadow, you guys. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going back with a dark brown eyeshadow from MAC. It can be any brown of your choice. Now I'm going back in with a black eyeshadow. Using that on my outer corner. Bringing it all the way down to my lash line and back into my crease. Now I'm setting my eyelids where the crease is with a gray gunmetal eyeshadow from NYX. Yes, honey, do you see this? Using the finishing spray to set that eyeshadow in place. Going back over it with a pencil brush to blend that black out into the gray. Yeah, I got a lot of love on Instagram for this look and I'm so thankful. You can follow me on Instagram at India_Amor. What? Oh, honey, y'all wasn't prepared for that. Mwah.